Hello, in this short video, I'll show you how to add captions and a transcript to a video through Clipchamp and how to edit those captions and the transcript. Clipchamp is a tool we have access to at George Brown College through Microsoft 365, and it's a tool that allows us to store videos, edit videos, and add captions and transcripts as well. And then, of course, share the videos with our students. So here we have the video, and on the right hand side of the video, there's a couple tools: trim, interactivity, comments, video settings, and analytics. If I select video settings, there is an option here that says transcripts and captions, and I can generate them using artificial intelligence, or I can upload a file. So in this case, I will use the generative AI tool to create captions for this video. So I will select the language for my video, which is going to be English Canada, and then select generate. And this is taking about 3 minutes, so I will pause the video while we wait for those captions. See you soon. Okay, we're back. The captions and transcript are ready. And now we see on the right hand side, there's a new button that says transcript. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so here we have it. And you can click on edit if there are any spelling mistakes or words that were not captured properly. Again, this is automated tool, so it will make mistakes, and it is important that we ensure that we review the captions and that it is accurate for accessibility. So I'll start here, and you may listen to the video as you edit your captions. So I see the first mistake here: hello and this short video. What I meant there was hello in this short video. I'll show you how to edit the metadata or document properties of a Word document. That's fine. You can click on done, and you can continue scrolling down through the transcript, which also will create the captions on screen. So I can see here, for example, you'll be able to edit the title box, and the title of this document is Poor Principles. So I actually meant the Poor Principles, POUR, uh, for digital accessibility. So that's how you edit your captions and your transcript in Clipchamp. So I uploaded the video, but you can also record it directly through Clipchamp. And then you'll see an option to generate your transcript or your captions here. Now that I already generated the option, now I have the option to upload. And once the captions have been generated or a file has been uploaded, then you'll see another tab on the right hand side for transcript, which you can review, and you can also edit for any mistakes. Notice that there's also an option to download either as a Word document or as a VTT file. This is excellent as well, because you may share the video with your students, but also a Word document that includes the transcript, which may be the preferred way for students to access the content and to find a specific section that they need within that video. Thank you for watching and enjoy.